Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dhanesh here. Today we are going to discuss about natural language processing. This is the ninth video on NLP. In this video, we are going to discuss on chunking. This is a simple introduction to NLP. NLP is equal to NLU plus NLG. We discussed these aspects. NLP, natural language processing. NLU, natural language understanding. NLG, natural language generation. NLU is responsible for understanding the content and NLG is responsible for generating the content. This is a pictorial representation. NLP, NLG, and NLU. NLG and NLU are the subsets of NLP. This is the way we can build an NLP pipeline, the steps to be followed. We discussed sentence segmentation, word tokenization, stemming, lemmatization, stop words, uh, POS tags, dependency parsing, POS tags, named entity recognition, all these aspects we discussed. Chunking, this is the, see, you have videos, see, we have videos in the playlist about all these aspects. You can watch those videos. Today we are going to discuss about chunking. See, this is the summary of what we discussed. We can think text as a sequence of tokens. Tokenization is the process of extracting tokens or words from those texts. We can normalize tokens using stemming, lemmatization, and removing stop words, etc. This is the life cycle of an NLP project. Just I am telling that will it will give you more understanding how an NLP project works. Text document, that's the input. Text pre-processing, that is stemming, lemmatization, tokenization, all those things coming under text pre-processing. Text parsing is there, feature engineering is there, modeling is there, deployment is there. So we have a separate video for the life cycle of an NLP project. This will completely explain, under um, text processing, only POS tagging, parsing, NER, chunking, everything it's coming. Text processing or parsing, text pre-processing is there. Feature engineering, we have TF-IDF, bag of words, word to work. It's discussed in a separate video. You can watch that video, life cycle of an NLP project, in the playlist. See, today we are going to discuss about chunking. See, chunk extraction, also known as partial parsing or shallow parsing, is a process of meaningful extracting short phrases from the sentence tagged with parts of speech. Chunks are made up of words, and the kinds of words are defined using the parts of speech tags. One can even define a pattern or words that can be a part of chunk, and such words are known as chinks. How chunking works? Chunking works on top of POS tagging. It's very important. It uses POS tags as input and provides chunks as output. So POS, we need to do the POS tagging in our program, because POS tags are the input to this chunks, sorry, with chunking program, and chunks as the output. Similar to POS tags, there are a standard set of chunk tags like noun phrase, verb phrase, etc. Even in POS tags, parts of speech tags also, it's there. You can watch the video for POS tags, it's there in the playlist. Checking is very important when you want to extract information from text such as locations, person names, etc. In NLP called named entity recognition, such a process we call it as NER, named entity extraction. All right, so that is the process. These are all the different tools for NLP. We most of the programs we used NLTK, and even you used TensorFlow for word tokenization, TensorFlow and Keras. So these are all the common tools. It's available in the market. NLTK is the most widely used. Spacey, so for high performance. Gensim, a library for document similarity analysis. Core NLP, well known for its speed, and Alan NLP. So we are using NLTK in this program to extract the chunks. Natural Language Toolkit is the leading platform for NLP using Python. NLTK provides libraries for classification, tokenization, stemming, tagging, etc. You can do a pip install NLTK from the command prompt and NLTK.download in the Python shell to download NLTK. This NLTK.download from the Python shell, because you can do it from Jupyter Notebook or any Python IDE, you can do it. So when you do the NLTK.download, you will get a window like this. So it will take some time to download all these things. For that, the implementation part, these are all the commands you need to import NLTK, and NLTK.download will work. I will show you a simple program to understand this in the Jupyter Notebook. This is a simple program in the Jupyter Notebook. I have imported, see, I told the POS tags are the input to this program and the chunk when you are doing the chunking, and the output is the chunk. See, we need to import NLTK. From NLTK, you can import POS tag, and we were using the regular expressions. See, NLTK, you have the regular expression parser. So to do the process to the chunking, I am using this beautiful quote from Helen Keller. So the best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. So that's a beautiful quote from Helen Keller. So tokens we have written as NLTK here from this. After this piece of code, this will do the tokenization. Word underscore tokenize class will do the tokenization. Then here you can print tokens. I'm just written here printing tokens, and after that I am doing the POS tag operations, printing POS tags here by using POS underscore tag. This line will do the POS tagging. Here we are printing the tags, POS tags. Then you have the regular expression. I am taking it as grammar. This is the regular expression I am using. You may be familiar with regular expressions. You can learn it. It's these will help us for doing the chunking. So we have the class a regular expression parser from NLTK. So that we have done, and the grammar. See the grammar. This regular expression we need to pass it on this class. This is really important. You have the grammar, that's the regular expression. We have passed that regular expression to the parser of NLTK class. After that, you have to call from this. See, after parsing, you get an instance. From that instance, you have to call the parse method. That will do the chunking. In that, you will pass the POS tags. See this tags. This will print the POS tags. That tags will be the input to the parse method. That parse method we are calling from the instance of the obtained from the regular expression parser. In that we have passed the uh, you know this regular expressions grammar. That's the regular. So here you can print the result. I'm drawing that how we can pictorially NLTK provide those features as well. I'm drawing that output as well. You can see it will draw the pattern graphically, which can be seen in noun phrase chunking. So you can see here the output as well. So let me run this program. You can see it here. Yeah, so the pictorial representation also it came, so that we will analyze later. Before that, I will show you the output. So first it is it's given with the tokens. This is the best. Tokenization means splitting into words. That's all the words are splitted. Now it is doing the POS tags. So that operation, it came up to this is the POS tags, the DT best, JJS and CC most. So it is by using the POS tags, it's split into noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, prepositions, conjunctions, interjection. All the POS tags, it's there, and it is splitted by using the POS tags. After that, it's doing the chunking operation. So it is, the POS tags will take the input, and after that, this is the output for the chunking. So it is showing it as so you can see here the it is DT best, JJS and CC, RBS beautiful, again JJ things, NNS, it's a noun. Okay, so like that, it is it's a scene, it's a verb. So can be seen, it's a verb. B, it's a verb. So it's everything it's written here touched, it's VBN. So like that it will see felt, it is VBN. So it's a verbal noun. So like that it is converted into chunks. So this is known as the chunking operation. This is the pictorial representation of the chunks. See everything, it's a sentence from the sentence, it's the best and the most beautiful. See, it's the same thing, it's represented pictorially. Things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. Touched is a verb. They it's a pronoun. See everything must be, it's a be is a verb. Felt, it is a verbal noun. So everything it is pictorially represented. This is another advantage of NLTK. From NLTK you can see it in chunking. So this is all about chunking. We covered all the aspects of chunking here. So this is the implementation also we have discussed. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot.